Let's talk about what's new at SurveyMonkey. This month, we're spotlighting smarter ways to build and faster ways to understand your results. First up, we've added conversational AI to SurveyMonkey, so you can build and refine your surveys just by telling it what you need. Getting a survey out the door used to mean manually adding questions, fiddling with styling, setting up logic, all before you even got to the feedback you actually wanted. Now, SurveyMonkey AI handles all of that through a conversation. Tell it what to change, and it edits the survey for you, adding or removing questions, rewording something that sounds off, applying a theme, and even setting up skip logic. And as you build, it offers targeted suggestions to help improve your survey. So you're not just moving faster, you're getting better feedback. And when you're ready, just ask it to generate a link, and you're live. Whether you're new to surveys or just short on time, SurveyMonkey AI takes you from a blank page to a polished, published survey fast. But we didn't stop there. Understanding your responses just got a whole lot faster too. Say you're running a customer service pulse survey, and you want to understand how customers are feeling about your service without spending hours digging through charts and open-ended responses. With the new insight summary at the top of the Analyze page, SurveyMonkey automatically surfaces the most important findings from your response data, so you can see what's driving results at a glance. Think of it as a TLDR for your data. For example, you might quickly see that highly satisfied respondents predominantly use in-person service, while email and response time metrics suggest opportunities for improvement. Each insight comes with a clear explanation of how it was derived, so you can trust what you're seeing and act on it with confidence. It's a faster, more intuitive way to go from data to decisions. That's what's new this month. We have more exciting updates coming soon, so tune in next time.